There's some people
I'm not a violent person.
in this life. Scheisse is always happening for some reason. Always. This, that, this. It's always happening. It's always happening. Don't matter where you go. I'm always stepping in, you know?
So we've got Mr. Franklin back in front of Judge Fleischer. This is a repeat offender, folks. And I mean repeat. He's got a history, he's on SSI, and now he's facing aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. What happened? He went to a group home, knocked on the door, and when they didn't open fast enough, he went a little crazy. Let's watch.
This is Mr. Levine. No, Mr. Franklin.
I'm sorry, sir.
After all that we've gone through,
This case,
gone through
Talk
the
about you.
crying, the this, the that,
like,
Don't
and
stop.
now you've picked up an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Don't talk about the case, Mr.
He's a
Franklin.
prosecutor.
The only thing is,
Yes.
I cannot express my disappointment. I really thought that you and I.
And you can hear the disappointment in Judge Fleischer's voice. He says, I really thought we were reaching together. This judge has seen this guy before, gave him chances, and he's still here picking up new felonies. The nerve of this guy to act surprised.
We're like reaching together.
we are, we were, and we really are. My family's working against me. They trying to take my SSI check and stuff. I haven't done anything. This is my 35th year. I haven't done nothing.
So look, I don't even know what happened. I want to know. So he picked up an ag assault with them. What happened? Please, just don't say anything, please. I just want to know what happened or why they're saying what happened. Okay.
On March 17th, 2025, at approximately 5:48 p.m., officers were dispatched with an aggravated assault call at a residence in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officers met with the complainant, who stated they are a resident in a group home. The complainant stated that the defendant is a person they have known for 3 weeks. The complainant stated the defendant arrived at the group home around 5:38 p.m. and knocked on the front door multiple times, cussing at another resident due to them not opening up the front door fast enough.
For more courtroom moments, hit like and subscribe.
The complainant stated the defendant continued yelling, cursing, and talking down to the resident. So the complainant tried to talk the defendant down. The defendant stated to the complainant that he was going to fuck him up, then went to his bedroom. The defendant took a hold of a fork which the complainant believed was a knife and pointed it at the complainant. The complainant asked if he was going to get stabbed, and the defendant charged at the complainant. The complainant stated they feared for serious bodily injury or death. The complainant ran and locked themselves in the motor vehicle and called the police. While waiting for the police in the vehicle, the defendant was still threatening to kill the complainant and was kicking the vehicle.
Wow. I just came from Food Town and I went back home to eat. I was at the door, I knocked.
Stop. Just the problem is that there's some people in this life. Scheisse is always happening for some reason. Always. This, that, this. It's always happening. It's always happening. Don't matter where you go. I'm always stepping in, you know?
He has the nerve to say, I'm not a violent person. Really? You're standing in court with aggravated assault. You threatened people with a fork and you're saying you're not violent? Your history says otherwise, buddy.
I'm not a violent person.
Your history says.
No, I'm not a violent person. I'm an SSI patient. I've been dealing with this stuff all my life. Soon as they get my name
The only
to
thing.
use my social.
The only thing I'm going to say is that, it's time to do some deep reflection. It really is time, because the thing is that I don't want you to end up with a 40-year sentence, man, because of the no self-control. I really thought we had something. I'm just so disappointed, man.
I don't know. But I'm the one that's been did wrong. Just I'm paying them all.
So look, I gotta revoke your bond, man.
I don't
So,
know why.
Cause you picked up a felony.
I'm doing everything I can do. It's people out there doing hate cases, hate crimes, all towards people like me. All I'm trying to do is just get my home back. They took it from me. Everything, because stuff is happening against me. I'm not assaulting people. I never assault people.
you know, the problem is that while this case is open, we can't do anything in here anyways. You know, what I'd like to do is, you know, have you evaluated to see how we go forward, because I just don't know.
A lot of this stuff
Can't
was
do it.
already false. This all of this stuff is false. So it's me.
We're gonna have to wait for it to play out. I hope, I hope, Mr. Franklin, but I don't know. Well, I gotta wait to see the evidence and see what
Why y'all
happens.
can't just send me to a psych ward unit or something while all of this is going on?
First, I have to have you evaluated, but I can't do that until the felonies are
This is
worked
not making no
out.
sense. This is my 35th year, and I have to keep dealing with this stuff.
Judge Fleischer's has had enough. Bond revoked, $5,001 bail. That's it. This was just the bond hearing. We'll see how it ends.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna revoke it. I'll set it at 5,001. All right, Mr. Franklin, I just don't want you to have any weapons, and just don't pick up any new cases, man.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.